So today I'm just making a very quick fix for my lunch. What I have here is rice and quinoa. I mix rice and quinoa because I love to have fiber in my food. So the yellow color, this is just comes from turmeric powder, and I just try to make it as simple as this. So I'm just, as I'm letting my rice to cook, I have prepared my chicken breast over here. I'm gonna cook traditionally, just like a curry kind of stew. So you will see it at the end of the video. So first I'm gonna fry my onions. This is the way I do it traditionally. I just love simple meal, simple way of cooking, and it is very delicious outcome. So just watch what I'll do. First of all, I'm gonna fry. I'm waiting for the onions to be well cooked, not burnt, but yeah, it's a bit translucent in color. Yes, so at this point is when I add my chicken breast. I want my chicken breast to cook, to fry in the oil, to be well cooked, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients later. I'll make it a very nice curry. So that is my chicken breast over there. I'll just continue stirring so that the oil can be evenly distributed within all parts of the meat. So my chicken is getting now ready. It's cooking well. So I let it cook for a while to be completely cooked, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients later. I just added some coconut cream because I want to make it a curry, and then I will put some chili, and then there we have it, coming out very nicely, very creamy chicken. I let it cook for more. So lastly, I've added the chili paste, and I'm gonna let it cook, simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. Just add water, let it simmer, let it cook well. You know, your bird, the poultry, has to cook well inside, otherwise you'll get some funny diseases. So this is the end of my cooking. Now that's the curry that I like. It's not too thick, not too thin. Very ideal for my rice. So this is gonna last me 2 days. It's just a meal prep I have here.